Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'll be doing a makeup tutorial in 10 minutes. This is an unedited recording, so let's see what we do or what we come up with. First, I applied my primer and I'm just taking my hair out of the way and just rubbing that in, making sure I get all of my areas. I was gonna apply my foundation first, but I decided to highlight my eyebrows instead. That way it's easier for me to clean up afterwards. For my concealer for today's look, I use the Concealer Espresso from LA Girls, and I'm just applying it over my eyelids as well, and I'm going to be blending that out, and then I'm going to be using my LA Girl Full Coverage Dark Chocolate Foundation along with the Espresso just to kind of help blend out my foundation. For today's look, I decided to go with a neutral color, so I'm going to be using brown and gold. I'm just going to be applying the brown to the midsection of my eyelid, and then I'm going to be adding the gold to my eyelid itself. And I'm just going to be working that in and blending it all together. Here I'm going to be using the same gold that I used for my eyelids, and I'm just going to be adding that under the arch of my brow. I don't feel like any of my looks are complete if it's not highlighted. If I don't use an eyeshadow, I just make sure that my concealer that I used is already light enough. That way it just gives that effect that it's like it stands out. That's what I like to see in my makeup look. So that is why I apply my gold there. As you can see how it looks, it just looks like it just pops out. And that's what I want to see. Here I'm just using my spoolie brush just to brush my eyebrows back into place. Now that our eyeshadow is complete, it's time to do our lips. I was looking for a lipstick and I didn't have an idea of what I wanted to go with. This one that I have up, I felt like it was a bit too light, so I was just looking for other options. I did use my Bird Beads lip balm just to give my lips some moisture before applying my lipstick. Next, I'm going to be using a brown lip liner to outline my lips before I apply my lipstick. I was still not sure what color I wanted to use. I was still looking around for other options, but in the end I did use that same color that I held up at first, and it came out pretty well. I was a bit surprised. I wasn't sure if it was going to be too bright, but it matched my neutral theme of makeup pretty well. Now we have our face covered, our eyeshadow done, lips done. Y'all, I was going through my head to see if anything was missing. And guess what? I forgot to do my concealer. And I was thinking if I should or if I shouldn't. And I was looking at the time thinking if I could make it or not. And I just decided, what the heck, let me do it. You're gonna see. It was just a complete hot mess. As y'all can see by now, my time is running out and I'm just trying to make it. After blending it out, I went back over with my foundation brush just to remove all the harsh lines, or at least try to. Literally seconds to spare, guys. I quickly add my highlighter in my areas and just quickly sprayed myself with the setting spray and I was done. I literally sprayed the setting spray in my eyes. You don't want to do that. But I'm complete. I think I did it within the time frame. Let me know what you guys think, how I did. As you can see on the side of my, I believe it was my right eye, there was a harsh line there with the concealer. I had to blend that out, but different from that, we're done. And this is the end of our video. This is our final look. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you like this video, don't forget to like and comment. Subscribe if you'd like to join me on my journey here on YouTube. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.